scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. Photoelectron spectra can look intimidating, but we can solve this quickly by comparing peak heights and binding energies to find the electron locations. Let's go. In a photoelectron spectrum, the height of each peak represents the relative number of electrons in that subshell. Since peaks X, Y, and Z all have the same height here, that means all three peaks represent the same number of electrons. Now look at the binding energy on the x-axis. Peak Z is located at the lowest energy value shown. Lower binding energy means electrons are held less tightly and are farther from the nucleus. This makes option B our perfect final answer. Well done! Scan the code to learn with Sovi. Avoid rushing energy scales. Trust given heights to find electron counts correctly.